Let me start off with saying I like the Pokemon TCG. I really do. But after the old guys saying this new release was going to be a little mid, I was a little worried. Because the Lost Zone gave us something really fun with all the Comfies and all the Sableyes with the 12 counters. It was really fun. The Fusion Strike, something was cool. Even Brilliant Stars gave us with Arceus, which was really cool. But as something with the new set with Silver Tempest, it was not a banger, as those Gen Zers would say. And like I said, I'm not Gen Z. But anyways, but always I had fun in my local pre-release. Let's start off with a deck that won. Something Gardevoir won, but it was a homie that plays this game a lot. He has a playmat with a playmat sleeve. I didn't know they made those. While I also have a playmat, I shoved mine in a bag as well as my decks with no protection whatsoever, utterly terrifying my opponents. The other runner-ups had the stupid chicken that ran the deck, that ran decks over while he was on the field. It was something bad, but you know his ability was good for what it was. Both my good friend Ven and my girlfriend Barbie had this deck. Ven had some other supporters playing strategically, like he's been playing the game since we were children, and Barbie had a V card just running and swinging, killing a lot of things. I lost to both of them. Now, if you've never played a pre-release event, it's pretty simple. Everyone gets this build and battle deck. You get a few things from it. A promo card. This Sunflora will come in later because the anger I feel towards it is just... You get a semi-playable deck, and you get 4 packs that don't get that, and you get 4 packs. You don't get to see any of them because I already bought them and I can't buy any more packs for 5 more months. Broke college student.
Member!
The rules are pretty similar to regular Pokemon with them. The major differences being that you can only use cards that you pull from the packs. Instead of 60 cards with 6 prize cards, it's only 40 cards with 4 prize cards, so the games go a little quicker unless you're Ven playing with an actual 12-year-old for God knows how long. With finally prizing being packs at my shop with 2 packs per win. Now David, I hear you asking me, what was your deck like and how did you do? My dear, dear child, I'll tell you, I did awful. I got steamrolled by my friend, and I got steamrolled... and then I got steamrolled by my girlfriend, with me finally winning my last game playing a depressed child after losing all his games. My deck really only had a few viable cards, and about a quarter of them being fire energy with 1 water energy. I was basically trolling. Now, you are asking me again, why do I only have 1 water energy in my deck, David? Because my so impatient child is for my win condition against V Pokemon. The Snutrunt Candice... my Snutrunt Candice Nuts. Candice Nuts. and Gala. I can kill most any V Pokemon. Almost V-Star, almost to the edge of killing. The rest of my deck, I had some Ponytas and the new Rapidash with his ability to kill some high HP basic Pokemon, some Vulpixes and Ninetales to do some big damage, and a Litten to fill in just to do Glass Cannon damage, and all that paired with a Magma Basin to turbo up my deck. All it was absolutely great. And most certainly, and very, very much least, the 2 Sunkerns and 2 Sunflora I never saw in any of my games that were supposed to help me kill anything, which would have been amazing with its 2 energy attack. But, you know. But oh well, we threw a few supporter cards and items in there, and I could have done better if I placed my supporter item card that could have healed up. But, you know, it's how it be sometimes. But fun times. Anyway, I'm looking forward, excited with the... I did pull a cool little dragon card, and I pulled some the bunny robot girl, but I traded it for my girlfriend for the Regieleki because I like him a lot. But I'm looking forward to how this turns out, and I have no Wi-Fi at the moment. I just finished my semester at school, so like, hey, subscribe because hungry, poor, only a little way, and legit the only way I play Pokemon is selling the fancy cards. So please help. All right, bye. Miss Mid.